Welcome to Tesseract's Form Builder module. In this video, you will take away 4 things. First, you can create a custom form that's a fit to your own workflow. Second, generate a document based on the fields populated in the form. Third, digitally sign the documents that have been generated. And fourth, store and collect the documents and data filled in the form onto Tesseract. Let me walk you through an investor onboarding example. While creating the form, you can build multiple categories such as investor fields, investor income and net worth profile, and many others. There are multiple field types that you could choose. You can select dates, you can select drop-down options, and of course, you can also have the ability to type in character text. What you can also do is to drag and drop files here. Now, I've already completed filling up this form. However, if the form has to be completed and signed by someone else, you can simply fill in his or her email address here to send them a link. Otherwise, click Next. Doing so will bring you to this page, which displays all the data filled up to get confirmation. You can click Save the draft if you want to come back to fill the form again, or you could also print the page for your own keeping. Of course, if everything is correct, just click Confirm. On this page, you will be able to identify all the documents that have been generated. These are templated documents that have been tokenized to pull in data filled up in the form earlier. As part of your own workflow, you can actually generate a document based on the fields populated in the form. Here in this example, we have generated 3 documents: Declaration of Source, AI opt-in form, as well as the CRS self-certification form. These are forms that are awaiting signature. So let's take a look at the first document by clicking the Sign button. In the document, you will notice that Anthony Lee's details, including his investment and employment information, have already been filled in. If the document is correct and ready to be signed, all you have to do is click on this awaiting signature box. There are 3 options to digitally sign this document. You could scribble your signature as shown here. You can upload a file, or you can actually sign the SyncPass. When ready, simply click Sign Document and the document will be signed. Once the document has been signed, click here to sign all the other documents. Fast forward, I've signed all the documents and you'll notice that the statuses in gray have changed from awaiting signature to sign. To save a copy of the signed document, you can click on the download button here. Once all the documents are signed, click Submit Documents. This sends out a notification to indicate that the signed documents have already been submitted. Now this is what it looks like on Tesseract. Here is the investor onboarding page, which displays all the forms that have been filled up previously. You will notice Anthony Lee's submission here. All the information filled out by Anthony Lee have been populated in this page. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see that the signed documents have also been stored within the page itself. You can make further changes to data by editing the ID number or even his name himself. If needed, you can click on the print button to auto-generate additional documents with all the updated data captured, which can then be sent for signing. Now, this brings us to the end of the video. To summarize, you can customize the Form Builder module to fit your own workflow, which will help you streamline your operations. Thank you.